Turmeric water is a simple, natural remedy with a host of hidden benefits, especially when consumed at night. While your doctor might not mention it, this golden elixir can do wonders for your health. From enhancing sleep quality to supporting cognitive function. Discover 10 surprising benefits of drinking turmeric water before bed. But first, let's learn how to make turmeric water. To make turmeric water, start by heating a cup of water until it's warm but not boiling. Add a teaspoon of ground turmeric or freshly grated turmeric root to the warm water, stirring well to combine. For enhanced absorption, you can add half a teaspoon of black pepper. If desired, add a bit of honey or a squeeze of lemon for taste. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the turmeric is fully dissolved. Drink the turmeric water while it's still warm for the best results. Let's get into the benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. Alleviates nighttime muscle cramps. Turmeric water can help alleviate nighttime muscle cramps due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the muscles. This helps soothe cramps and discomfort that often disturb sleep. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine showed that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced muscle soreness and improved muscle recovery. Drinking turmeric water before bed ensures these benefits are absorbed by the body during sleep, providing relief and relaxation to the muscles. Regular consumption can help prevent muscle cramps and improve overall muscle health, contributing to a more restful night's sleep. This natural remedy is a simple and effective way to enhance nighttime comfort. Enhances cognitive function for a better morning start. Turmeric water may enhance cognitive function, making your mornings more productive. The curcumin in turmeric has neuroprotective properties that can improve brain health. A study in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that curcumin improves memory and attention in older adults. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, turmeric helps maintain cognitive functions. Drinking turmeric water at night allows the brain to repair and regenerate during sleep. This overnight benefit can result in improved memory, sharper focus, and better problem-solving skills upon waking. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine may enhance brain performance and support long-term cognitive health, providing a boost to your daily activities. Aids in nocturnal acid reflux relief. Turmeric water can aid in relieving nocturnal acid reflux. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help soothe the esophagus and reduce acid production. A study in the Journal of Gastroenterology found that curcumin effectively reduced symptoms of acid reflux and improved esophageal function. Drinking turmeric water before bed can help neutralize stomach acid and prevent nighttime discomfort. It promotes better digestion and ensures a more comfortable sleep by minimizing acid reflux episodes. This natural remedy offers a soothing effect and may provide long-term benefits for individuals suffering from chronic acid reflux, enhancing their overall sleep quality. Incorporating it into your nightly regimen can be a simple yet effective approach. Promotes deeper REM sleep. Turmeric water can promote deeper REM sleep, essential for restorative rest. Curcumin has been shown to increase serotonin and dopamine levels, which regulate mood and sleep cycles. A study in the Journal of Psychopharmacology revealed that curcumin supplementation improved sleep quality and reduced symptoms of depression. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, turmeric water helps create a conducive environment for deep sleep. Consuming it before bedtime can enhance the duration and quality of REM sleep, leading to better overall health and well-being. Regular intake of turmeric water may improve sleep patterns, making you feel more refreshed and energized in the morning. This practice supports long-term sleep health. Reduces nighttime urinary frequency. turmeric water can help reduce nighttime urinary frequency, improving sleep continuity. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties support bladder health and reduce urinary tract irritation. A study in the European Urology Journal found that curcumin reduced symptoms of overactive bladder and improved urinary function. Drinking turmeric water at night can help calm the bladder, minimizing the need for frequent trips to the bathroom. This results in uninterrupted sleep and better rest. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine can offer a natural solution to manage nocturnal urinary issues, enhancing overall sleep quality and promoting better health. This simple habit can significantly improve nighttime comfort and restfulness, improves breath and oral health. Turmeric water can improve breath and oral health when consumed at night. Curcumin has antimicrobial properties that combat oral bacteria, reducing bad breath and promoting gum health. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research highlighted curcumin's effectiveness in treating periodontal diseases and improving oral hygiene. Drinking turmeric water before bed helps cleanse the mouth and throat, preventing bacterial growth overnight. This practice can lead to fresher breath and healthier gums by morning. Regular consumption of turmeric water supports overall oral hygiene and can be a beneficial addition to your nighttime routine for better dental health. This easy routine can enhance oral wellness. Supports healthy lung function. Turmeric water can support healthy lung function, particularly beneficial at night when respiratory issues may worsen. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce airway inflammation and improve lung health. A study in the Journal of Inflammation Research found that curcumin significantly improved lung function and reduced symptoms in patients with chronic respiratory diseases. Drinking turmeric water before bed can aid in clearing the airways and reducing nighttime coughing or wheezing. This promotes better breathing and ensures a more restful sleep. Regular intake of turmeric water can contribute to long-term respiratory health and improve overall well-being. This natural remedy supports easier nighttime breathing, minimizes overnight fluid retention. Turmeric water can minimize overnight fluid retention, helping to reduce morning puffiness. Curcumin acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the elimination of excess fluids from the body. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that curcumin enhanced diuretic activity and reduced edema. Drinking turmeric water at night supports kidney function and helps balance fluid levels, preventing water retention. This can lead to a more refreshed appearance and reduced swelling upon waking. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine can provide a natural way to manage fluid retention and promote overall health. This practice ensures you wake up feeling lighter and more energized, helps in managing night sweats. Turmeric water can help manage night sweats, providing relief and comfort during sleep. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and hormonal balancing properties help regulate body temperature. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that curcumin effectively reduced symptoms of hormonal imbalances, including night sweats. Drinking turmeric water before bed can help stabilize body temperature and reduce excessive sweating. This ensures a more comfortable and uninterrupted sleep. Regular consumption of turmeric water can offer a natural solution to manage night sweats, improving sleep quality and overall health. This simple remedy supports a more stable and restful sleep environment. Improves nocturnal metabolism. Turmeric water can improve nocturnal metabolism, supporting weight management and overall health. Curcumin enhances metabolic rate and promotes fat oxidation. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that curcumin supplementation increased metabolic rate and reduced body fat in participants. Drinking turmeric water at night can boost metabolism while you sleep, aiding in weight management and energy balance. This natural remedy supports the body's ability to burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. Regular intake of turmeric water can enhance metabolic functions and contribute to better overall health and well-being. This nighttime habit supports a more active metabolism. What is the best time to drink turmeric water? The best time to drink turmeric water is at night before bed. This allows your body to absorb its beneficial properties while you sleep, enhancing its effects on inflammation, sleep quality, and overall health. Can turmeric water help with weight loss? Yes, turmeric water can aid in weight loss. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat oxidation. Drinking turmeric water at night can support your body's natural metabolic processes. How does turmeric water improve sleep quality? Turmeric water can improve sleep quality by promoting deeper REM sleep. Curcumin helps regulate mood and sleep cycles by increasing serotonin and dopamine levels, reducing inflammation, and creating a conducive environment for restorative sleep. Is it safe to drink turmeric water every night? Generally, it is safe to drink turmeric water every night, but moderation is key. Excessive consumption of turmeric can cause digestive issues in some people. It's always best to start with a small amount and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Can turmeric water help with joint pain? Yes, turmeric water can help with joint pain. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the joints, providing relief from pain and improving overall joint health, making it a beneficial drink for those with arthritis or other joint issues. For more content like this, subscribe to Health Patrol.